Hi guys! So, quick tutorial tayo kung paano mag-recharge or cash in sa PhilWin. Ang legit and ito yung mga site na ginagamit ngayon ng mga vlogger. So, as you can see, naka-zero yung sa may taas. So, pipindutin nyo lang yung red kung gusto nyo mag-recharge. So, may makikita kayo dyang 200, 500, 1,000 to 30,000 once na magre-recharge kayo. So, depende sa inyo. Then, pindutin nyo lang yung recharge. Then, makikita nyo dyan yung electronic wallet. So, yung details nyo lang is input nyo lang yung first name, then yung last name nyo. Okay? Pag na-enter nyo na is kailangan nyo i-type din yung email address nyo. Ayan. Once na na-type nyo na yung dalawa is ita-type nyo yung email sa baba. And then, number, yung phone number nyo. Make sure na mag-start kayo sa 9. Yan. And then the rest ng number. Make sure na tama yung number nyo. Okay? And then after that, merong electronic wallet type. So, GCash. For now, for the meantime, GCash pa lang yung available na recharge outlet or pwedeng gamitin. Okay? Then, since tinry natin mag-cash in ng 500, and then, enter nyo lang yung GCash number. Ayan. Then, yung PIN code. So, make sure na wag nyo i-share yung PIN code nyo to others, ha. And then, ayan. Click nyo lang yung Pay 500. Ayan, there you go. So, nakapag-recharge na kayo ng worth 500 pesos. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, pwede na kayong bumalik dun sa game and makikita nyo na yung pwedeng mines or nandun na yung mga games na pwede nyong laruin. Meron ding online casino or kahit na anong paborito nyo. And ayun na, as you can see, nag-reflect na kagad yung 500 pesos. Sobrang bilis lang mag-cash in dito. So, wala pang 1 minute, minsan nandyan na siya dun sa pera nyo. And pwede na kayo mag-start maglaro. So, ganun lang kasimple. Pumunta lang kayo dun sa PhilWin. Yung link kung saan kayo mag-register is nasa baba. So, ulitin ko guys. So, yung description box is nasa description box yung link kung gusto nyong recharge. So, tuturuan ko naman kayong paano mag-withdraw. So, nakita nyo yung balance sa may taas. So, click nyo lang din yung kulay red. Ayan. So, click nyo since kanina is recharge, ngayon is withdraw. Ayan. So, dyan is enter lang yung amount na gusto nyong i-withdraw. Like, for example, 10,000. Ayan. Tapos, fill lang yung bank info. So, for now, as I've said earlier, is GCash lang muna yung meron. Wala pang bank account or bank transfer ng cash out. So, enter nyo lang yung details na nandyan. So, yung account name, yung email address, and yung phone number. So, make sure na yung phone number nyo is tama. Okay? Yung GCash number nyo is tama kasi once na hindi siya tama kasi baka hindi ma-process or mahihirapan kayong maka-withdraw. Okay? So, yung account number, make sure tama talaga siya kasi once na kahit isang digit lang yung mali is baka hindi nyo na ma-withdraw yung i-withdraw nyo. Okay? So, make sure talaga na tama yung GCash number, yung details na in-input bago kayo mag-withdraw. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Then, once na okay na, hit nyo lang yung withdraw sa baba, yung kulay red, and there you go. Okay? So, withdrawal, sobrang bilis lang. Parang, ang time nila is 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. yung withdrawal. So, ganun lang. Then, your withdrawal, so makikita nyo naman yung confirmation sa taas once na okay na. Okay? Then, hit withdraw. And yung description, nasa description box yung link kung gusto nyo mag-register. Bye!